Uyabona, KwaZulu-Natal sokuqhubeka sibe neproblem yemithi nemishanguzo ngoba nabantu bakwaZulu-Natal bathule abayibuzi ukuthi amalungu esishayamthetho kungani ethule kangaka. Ama-leaders akwaZulu-Natal from all parties last legislature, where is the ANC leaders, IFP leaders, MK leaders, DA leaders? Bathuleleni kufa abantu? Yini labayibhenefithayo ngokuthi kumele kufa abantu KwaZulu-Natal? Kungani bethule kulezi crisis in the province? Ngabe ngempela i-GPU ingalokho yini? Ingokuthi kumele kufa abantu, ama-leaders athule ama-leaders. Sithola isimanga nje ngelinye ilanga kwenye debate i-DA izodefenda i-nonsense eyenziwa umnyango wezempilo KwaZulu-Natal. I-DA u-Imran Kika of i-DA uhlalo wekomidi that should be playing oversight, uyena owayeseredweni u-MEC engakwazanga ukuza kwi-debate kwenye radio station. U-Imran Kika we-DA was defending the department, esho khona ukuthi bona bayibona inkinga ngemithi, esho khona ukuthi i-crisis eshiwe Action SA ihaba ayikho lento eshiwoyo, kodwa abantu are dying ey'bhedlela bese sithi abantu bafile ngoba besefika isikhathi sabo. Asivukeni bantu bakwaZulu-Natal, abantu bazofa. Lento eyenzeka emshiyeni ayincane futhi ayenzeki emshiyeni kuphela. Ibhedlela KwaZulu-Natal hamba KwaNongoma kune-crisis, the whole list yemithi engekho KwaNongoma, kodwa umnyango uzothi imithi khona KwaNongoma. KwaNongoma amanzi awekho esibhedlela, kodwa umnyango uzothi ayikho inkinga KwaNongoma. Then you will hear the DA also under this so-called GPU defending le nonsense eyenzeka esifundazweni through chairperson we-oversight okumele abe uyena mpela eqiniseka ukuthi u-MEC wenza umsebenzi wakhe ngendlela efanele. Now i-province yethu is collapsing. Sibuka engikushoyo mina ukuthi nina bahlali bakwaZulu-Natal niyayiyekelela. You must be able to hold your leaders accountable. You are voters of these leaders. You are voters of these parties. Why nithule abaholi benu bethule kufa abantu, kufa ogogo bethu, kufa mama benu, your own leaders bavotele. Njengamanje bona banankinga because they go to private hospitals. Abanandaba nabantu abafayo. But you are the voters. Why are you not using your power to hold your own leaders accountable? Stand up as umvoti waZulu-Natal. Don't keep quiet. Don't sit on the corner while abantu bafa at the expense yamavoti enu, ngoba you voted for these leaders. Ask yourself, why are those MPs and MPLs akwaZulu-Natal ethule kangaka? Bagayinani ukuthi kufa abantu esifundazweni?